What's up, guys? Today's video is going to be on the power plant of the Galaxie 500 XL. I pretty much took it down already, took all the pulleys out, accessories, everything off. Took the intake off. Oh my, the intake. Holy cow. This is like my first FE engine. This thing right here is like freaking close to 100 pounds, I think. Wow, definitely going aluminum there. Probably the aluminum will probably weigh like 25-30 pounds compared to the freaking monster. So I checked out the engine and a bit of slop on the chain here, so I'm just gonna upgrade into a double roller. Might as well. Look at that. This is the one part where either you could be really happy or you can get pissed off in about 20 minutes. It's taking out these exhaust bolts. Try to break it loose, stop for a little bit, add a little bit more, and hope for the best. This bolt's being such a pain. This is the only one on this side that's left. So it does not want to come loose. So I hope it does not snap. That will be the worst day. Head bolts coming off. The exhaust bolts are off. That last one right here was a pain. But I think we got it. Alright, heads are off. And this is what the pistons look like. Not too bad. I did discover that this gasket failed like right here. So it was letting in water to this piston right here. I cleaned it up and it's not too bad. So maybe that's why this thing sat, is because of that head gasket failing. This the other side right here. Not too bad. I'm just gonna wire wheel all this gunk off, all that carbon buildup. Nothing too aggressive. The heads, they do need a little bit of work. Let me show you the heads. We got the heads here. Again, just really dirty. Years of sitting. Some of the valves don't look that good. Where that water penetrated, you can tell, looks like it was this valve here. But yeah, these are gonna need rebuilding for sure. So I'm gonna take it to an engine rebuild or a head rebuild shop. They quoted me about $250. So I think I'm gonna go that route. What do you guys think? Rebuild the heads or get some other type of heads? I heard you can get Cobra Jet heads and they will flow a lot better, but I'm not trying to go too crazy with this build, you know? I just wanted to get it running. So yep, there you go. So here it is, guys, the Ford 390, torn down. Not too bad. I mean, I was expecting a lot worse. But, you know, just take it step by step. You know, first thing is to get those heads sent out, get them redone, slap them back on, you know, put the new chain on there, the new cam, new lifters, intake, all that stuff. You know, it'll get done. It'll take some time, but step by step, like I said. I'm gonna paint this engine bay black while the heads are out. Might as well. But yeah, there you go. Next video will probably be me working on this engine and changing all the stuff out. So, boom.